Hello, today in this video I will show you how to auto backup WordPress website. Okay, you need to install a plugin to keep backup. So the plugin name is UpdraftPlus WordPress backup plugin. First install now. After installation, go to settings for backup. Then active, then settings, okay, then first backup and restore, but here no backup present now. Okay, nothing currently scheduled. Then for schedule, go to settings and first file backup schedule and second one database backup schedule. Manually, here mostly common schedule time present every 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, daily, weekly. Okay, here weekly one backup, then database same as one backup, and next choose your remote storage. A lot of option is present. Here we choose Google Drive. Okay, click on Google Drive. After click Google Drive, then save change, and when save change you see one pop-up window is open. Now click, then sign in your Google account. Okay, then allow, and setup is complete. Okay, thank you.